This is Pinky Mehta. I am chairing the Indirect Tax Committee of the Bombay Chamber of Commerce and Industries. Regarding budget, the clear roadmap has been given in the sense that GST will be implemented from 1st of April 2016. However, no clear indications that how the rules and everything will come. The industry basically needs the rules and all the provisions in place to make the preparations. There's a rationalization of the excise duty and the service tax in line with the expected rate of GST. So he has subsumed the education cess in the excise duty. That is one of the good part. Reduce the custom duty for 22 items. Basically, it should be a raw materials, which will decrease the cost of productions for the industry. And he has rationalized the exemptions like that. He's said that the negative list of the service tax is being curtailed and more services are brought under the service tax net. So overall, we feel that the clear directions for GST is given. So now the industry needs to gear up to prepare for the GST. However, the industry expects the government to give the rules and all in place and to put up for the public comments so that the industry can work in this direction.
Ma'am, how would you rate the budget on a scale of 10?
I would rate the budget on the 8. Now we have to look at the fine prints of the budget, look at it, that what are the provisions which are favorable to the industry and which are the discouraging. So basically by hearing the budget, I would give the 8 as a rating.